Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, That Begins Now. Today I'm going to be continuing our shop tutorial, and today we're going to be making one of the furniture, which is a table, a mirror table, so it's going to be cool. So what we want to start off with is a cube, and when you we ought to press GZ, and we want to see how big it is, so GY, go I, SZ, and then SX, SZ a bit more. Yeah, that's pretty. And what we want to do is go to edit mode and then Control R like this, and then put one right here. Put another loop cut under it like that, and then put one last loop cut down here. Okay, and then what we want to do is select this, Alt Shift up, and I think that should lay up. Control B, scroll. So Control B to bevel, and then scroll multiple times to make it round. Well, not that much, but just enough to make it look round. Then what you want to do is go out of object mode, and then add subdivision modifier. Add another one. Add a levels viewport, then add bevel, and just unclick the subdivision modifier, and now it should be good to go. So we just needed to unclick the. What we could do is add that little add a loop cut there again, and yeah, and then if you go to object mode, and then I wonder if this does anything. Yeah, so we want it to be more like that rather than that, so it's more round like that. So set the amount to about 0.03. Then we can add mesh cube GUI, move there, and then go to press number pad 3 or number pad 1, GZ, put this right on top. Yup. SY UI SY SZ, then SX, and then edit. Control R, one. Oh, well, actually no. Control R, scroll, that, and then right click. Now I'm basing off this from my real shop, so yeah, this is one of the furniture in my real shop, in my mom's real shop. Yeah. Bevel again, and oh yeah, edit modifier, Alt, select this, G, X, a bit tiny bit there, Alt, GX, okay. Select the middle, G, oh actually no, not G, E, move it up one, hold up, I just remembered, RZ, 90, so like this, SY, no, it's better if we do it manually, so S. Go to press number pad 1. Oh. Yeah, that's good. And then what we want to do, go to this one, other side, and we G X move it up here, DX, move it here, and then we do edit. Oh wait, what am I doing? Shift, Control J, and modifier, mirror, Y, and what do you know? It's done. Like, bruh, it's not that easy. And then press clipping. It's easy, I mean. And then it's like that. Go to this mode. And then what we want to do, E, move it up. Move it up one tiny bit more. Oh, what did I just do? That was so dumb. E a bit more. Select this one. E, clip them together. On the other side, E, like that. E again. Select this top face. Oh, no, that was way too much. E, and then select the top face. E, E. Yeah, this is good. And then E, and then we do what I just did right just now. Control R. Yeah. They select that. E, control down. Then E, a big one. Select this face. E, connect them. Select this face. E. Move it down like that. Control R. Again like that. Select this. E. Boom. And we are not done yet. Select the inner face. I inset it like that. Select this face. E. Yup. There we go. We have our mirror table. Now select this. S, X, a bit more. I hope this doesn't change anything, but Control J, yeah, it does change everything. So we have to unlock them together, and then we can select them. Oh, we can select this, select this, and then Control P, object, and then we can select this. G, Y, move it inside. Okay, then we can do GZ, move it right there. Then we can go to, and now that's our one furniture finished. Now I just want to explain how this is. So this is the outer layer of the mirror, like that. This is a light around the mirror, and this is the mirror. This is like a holding stand for the mirror, and this is like the table. And this, I made this for the light. So yeah. Oh, nah, I that doesn't really look good. So I'm gonna no, should go, yeah, like that. So Alt, select this, Shift Alt, there. S. And then this, Shift Alt, S. Yep, I think that's good. And then we can add a bevel like that. Yeah, and that's good. Next next video I'll make another furniture, and yeah, subscribe, like, and hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next one.